Welcome to the Atlanta Citizen Review Board's public portal for filing misconduct complaints against Atlanta police and corrections officers. This new portal is designed to provide you with easy access to the agency's services. In this tutorial, we will do a walkthrough of how to file a complaint using the public portal. On the home page of the public portal, you will see two light blue boxes. The box on the left lets you file a complaint. The box on the right lets you return to an incomplete complaint and check the status of a filed complaint. Now, let's click the new entry and file a complaint. To start the complaint, you must click the arrow beside the submission box and select Complaint. After clicking the submission type, enter your contact information and select Preferred Notification Method. The preferred notification method is an email and/or phone number. Please pay special attention to the preferred notification method. If you want to receive notification of the status of your complaint, you must select Email Me, Phone Text Me, or Phone Text and Email Me. If you do not make a selection, the field will select None. You must provide your email address, phone number, or both in order to receive notifications. Once you entered that information, click the Create button. This will take you to the submission form. The submission form will allow you to provide the details of your complaint. The box on the submission form provides your reference ID number and link. You will need it to access your saved incomplete complaint if you cannot finish your complaint. You will also need the reference ID number to track the status of your complaint. Remember, you must keep a record of the reference ID number and the link, which will again be given to you at the end when you submit your complaint. Below the reference ID and link box is where you will begin entering the information for your complaint. Your name and preferred notification method and contact information will be pre-filled from the information you provided on the Create New Entry form. Remember, the more information you provide in the complaint against an officer allows the investigative team to investigate your allegations more efficiently. To assist with filling out the complaint, several sections have drop-down boxes for sex, race, and birth date that allows you to make the selections that represent you. The system also provides address assistance when you are providing your contact address. The next section is the incident information. Here you will add the date and time of the incident address, and the summary of the incident. The system also provides a calendar and a time clock to help with adding this important information. This is a required field that must be completed to submit your complaint. You can approximate the time. After providing the date and time of the incident, you will enter a summary of your complaint. It is important to provide as many details as possible. The more details you can provide will greatly assist the investigation into your complaint. This is the required field that must be completed to submit your complaint. After completing the summary of the complaint, you will provide the address of the location of the incident. The system provides address assistance when you are adding the location where the incident occurred. The next section is the File Attachment section. This section allows you to upload any documentary and/or video or audio evidence that you may have to support your complaint. Once you click Upload Files, it will take you to Add New Attachments for you to attach files, video and audio recordings, photos, and documents. This brings us to the Officer section. It's a required field. If you have the officer's name and/or badge number, you can add it here. You can also add a description of the officer or officers in this section. If there was more than one officer, you would click the Add Additional Officer button to continue adding information about the other officers involved in the incident. If you do not have the name and badge number of the officers involved in the incident, that's okay, but you must provide a description or factual information specific to the officers in the box. If there were witnesses to the incident, click the Add Additional Witness button to add the contact information for the witness. Once you click the Add Additional Witness button, you will provide any contact information that you have for the witness. When you have reached the end of the complaint, you will see an important notice box. This box contains your reference ID number and a link to your complaint that is also at the top of the complaint submission form. It is important that you save the reference ID number and the link to access your saved complaint and to track the status of your complaint. When you are ready to file your complaint, click the green Submit button. After you have clicked the Submit button, you will receive a submission agreement. You will need to click the I agree box and click the Submit button to file your complaint. Once you have clicked the Submit button, you will receive a message that your complaint has been successfully submitted with your reference ID number and a link, and depending on your preferred notification method provided on the complaint form, you will receive notification that your complaint was received. If you provided an email address as your preferred contact, you will receive an email stating that your complaint has been received. If you provided a cell phone number as your preferred contact, you will receive a text message. We hope you found this tutorial helpful, and thank you for contacting the Atlanta Citizen Review Board. If you need assistance with navigating the portal, please call ACRB at 404-865-8622.